Alright, so I want to talk a little bit about the Section 9 gradebook assignment. I think of this as a warm-up to your Project 1 because the Project 1 is going to be similar to this. So what we have here is the list of different categories that your grade's based on. And these are the different scores that someone achieved. And then over here we have the same table with the weights. And so to figure out a final grade, you need to know all the category averages. Then you get the score by doing the weight times the average, and then that adds up to the final grade. Okay, so there's two things I want you to do. First off, find the final grade. And also I want you to work on formatting these. So right now this is just data sitting around. So you want to put this in a table. So we highlight it, we right click, go to Format Cells, and go to Border, and then you can do, typically I'll put a big line on the outside, small lines on the inside. Hit OK. You can go back and highlight the title, right click, Format Cells, take a double line and put it right here. And this is just a nice basic formatting. Other things you can do is maybe highlight the titles, go to the paint bucket, and give it a nice background. Okay, so this is just an example of one way you can do it. You obviously can choose whatever formatting you want. When you get to this table then, let's go ahead and format that one as well. So I'm going to do a similar type formatting. I got that. I can highlight this again. Get my double line. One thing though is we have some empty space here. So if you want to make it look a little nicer, you can highlight those two. Just those two. Format that. And I want my outline to go up here. And I'm going to get rid of all these. So this spot here, which is really this spot down here, is going to be empty now. So kind of makes your table look a little bit nicer. I can do some nice things like bold those titles and bold those titles and give that my background. Alright, so this is just kind of some basic formatting. Let's go ahead and make sure that you practice that and are able to do that. Alright, then for your category average, remember that's just equal average. And then you want to highlight whatever that category is, in this case homework. Alright, and then once you have that, the score, we get average times the weight. So you want to do that for each of these sections, and then to get the final grade, you just sum up the category scores. Alright, so this is going to be a quick assignment. I just want you to have the practice formatting and understand how to get this table set up correctly. So go ahead and do that and turn that in.